In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Workload View. If you've ever wondered who on your team is overloaded and who still has capacity, the Workload View is designed to give you that clarity at a glance. We'll walk through how to open it and what that opens up for you in your day-to-day planning. First, make sure you're in the right space, folder, or list in ClickUp where your tasks are organized. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Views bar. This is where you can switch between things like list, board, calendar, and other perspectives on your work. To create a new workload view, move your cursor to the top bar and look for the button labeled View. Next to your existing views, you'll find an option that says Click Plus View. Go ahead and click that. When you click the plus sign next to View, ClickUp will open a panel that lets you choose what type of view you want to add. This is where you pick workload from the available options. Select workload and ClickUp will create a new view that focuses on capacity and assignment across your team or resources. Once you've selected workload, the system will generate a visual layout showing tasks distributed over time, grouped by assignee or another resource type you've configured. Even though the instructions to get here are simple, click plus view and select workload. This single action unlocks a powerful way to manage your team's bandwidth. From here, you can start exploring how the workload view displays information. You'll typically see team members listed on one side and a timeline running across the top. Each task appears in the time frame when it's scheduled, and the view will use effort estimates, such as time estimates or points, to calculate how busy each person is. If someone is over capacity, you'll usually see a visual indication like a bar that passes a set limit. If they're under capacity, you'll see how much room they still have. Now that the workload view is open, it's a good idea to make a few adjustments so it works well for you. You can look for filters or settings within the view to control which tasks and team members are included. For example, you might want to filter by a specific list, a project, or a time range to keep the display focused and easy to read. Adjusting the time frame to a week or 2 weeks at a time often makes it simpler to spot overloads and gaps. As you get comfortable, try dragging tasks along the timeline to rebalance work. If your workspace allows it, you can reassign tasks directly from this view or adjust due dates so that workloads are spread out more evenly. Small changes here can prevent last-minute rushes and help keep your team's schedule realistic. To make sure you can come back to this setup easily, consider saving the workload view with a clear name like team workload or weekly capacity. That way, everyone on your team can open the same view from the top bar without needing to recreate it. That's all it takes to start using the ClickUp Workload View. Click plus view in the top bar, select workload, and then use that new perspective to monitor and rebalance your team's tasks.